Good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. Today guys, this video is a sort of a different video. Yeah, I'm making a different video today. It's no cooking video today. Today I'm making some juice or some drink. So I'll be using this vegetable, this Cho Cho, to make some drink. Normally I put this in my chicken soup or my beef soup. You know what I mean? Yeah man. So today I'll be using it for a different purpose. You know, I'm gonna make some drink as I said. So I'm just gonna get it cut up, blend up in my blender. And I've got a lime here as well that I'll be using. And I've got some honey. So stick and stay like girl and blue. What for everyone. I'll get the Cho Cho cut up.
Toss the doubts, let's saute bold. Together with a recipe untold. From the first taste of what we create, to burnt toast days we still celebrate. Every dish is our melody played, laughing it up.
I don't know guys, this packed with a lot of nutrients and a lot of health benefit. Yeah man. So I'm going to try and extract some of the health benefit from this Cho Cho because we need some of that. So stay tuned. So let's get this little bit out of it.
We create burn toast days, we still celebrate. Every dish is a melody played, lapping it up. It's never too late. Smoke it burns and sizzling grease. The secret, the masterpiece.
Just getting out the little middle part. I think this is the heart.
In the heat of the kitchen, hearts collide, risking joy with every
We're gonna get this in the blender now. Let's pop it in the blender and get the whisk up quick and fast. That is it, yeah.
Spices dancing, stories told. Cooking love worth more than gold. Steam is rising, hearts will too. Stirring dreams in a pot for two.
This is it, yeah. Finish the blending process. So now, this is our lime, so I'm gonna give it a good all rub. Just rub it like this and you go as you want to get as much juice out as possible. So just put it on like so, just to soften it up on the inside. Alright. Now once the juice running out, so we're gonna get the juice. Get the juice out.
Together with a recipe untold. From the first taste of what we create, to burnt toast days we still celebrate. Every dish is our melody played, lapping it up. It's never too late. In the heat of the kitchen, hearts collide, whisking joy with every strike. Spices dancing, stories told. Cooking love worth more than gold.
Oh yes.
From the first taste of what we create, to burnt toast days we still celebrate. Every dish is a melody play. Bring it up. It's never too late.
Let's mix. Just keep it, mixing it up, guys. Just put it in there.
Smoky buns and sizzling grease. Love's the secret to masterpiece.
Think you want
Chop the onions.
little more lemon juice. I can't taste the lemon. I'm gonna get another.
In the heat of the kitchen, hearts collide. Risking joy with every stride. Spices dancing, stories told. Cooking love worth more than gold. In the heat of the kitchen, hearts collide.
I can't taste the lime, guys. I don't taste the lime juice at all, man. So I'm gonna get another one in there. Maybe because I have a lot of liquid in the blender. So yeah, let's get another lemon and another lime rather in there.
Stirring dreams in a pot for two. Toss the doubts, let's saute bold.
And guys, if you can't stand the taste of it, you can add a little honey, yeah? Yeah, that's what the honey is for. You can just add a little honey if you want. Add sugar, you can. Add a little sugar to taste. But for me, I'm just gonna drink it natural thing. Like it is, you know? Rather good. With a little honey. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little honey. I'm not gonna exempt that. I'm gonna add a little honey. So this is the rest of lime juice. I'm putting it in there. Right.
To burn toast days we still celebrate. Every dish is a melody play. Lapping it up, it's never too late. In the heat of the kitchen, hearts collide. Whisking joy with
just whisk
every
it up.
stride. Spices dancing.
Just gonna whisk it up for just bear with me on this one. Just gonna whisk it up for a minute. Alright guys, in my glass I've got a little honey. Hope you can see the honey in the bottom, glass bottom. Okay. Yeah. That is it. So I'm just gonna pour out my drink in there like so.
Every dish is a melody play. Lapping it up, it's never too late.
Give it a good old mix. Guys, I tasted a minute ago and I'm telling you, wow, it tastes so good. I thought it would have tasted a bit funny, but it tastes good, yeah, man. With the honey, yeah, that is with the honey. Alright. I don't know what you guys call it, but yeah, we call it Cho Cho. Come on. So I have some Cho Cho drink right about now. This is it. Oh. Yeah, let's see what's going on. Wow. Ah. Wow. Honestly, guys, it tastes good. It have a taste like lemonade. Yeah, man. It tastes really good. Ah, so good. That is it for it. That is it for today, guys. So stick and stay tuned to the station and keep watching our videos. Keep checking out our videos. Yeah, man, and keep like, share, and subscribe. So catch you in another one.
Let's our table
We out.
together with the rest.